In the heart of Bangladesh, archaeologists uncovered ancient floating farms dating back over 400 years. These ingenious structures, made from water hyacinths and bamboo, were designed to combat food scarcity during monsoon floods. The discovery reveals how communities adapted to environmental challenges, showcasing early innovation in sustainable agriculture. This finding challenges our understanding of ancient resilience and resourcefulness, proving that sustainable practices have deep historical roots. Like, comment, and subscribe to explore more groundbreaking discoveries like this.